everyone, early in the morning on the actual 3rd, and yesterday was a pretty decent day. Hopefully today will be good too. It's gotten really chilly, but we haven't had any rain yet, and we really need rain. Be nice if we could get a little bit of rain so that the wildfires like a town over will stop. That would be marvelous. So I have a lot of things I want to get done today. Surprise, surprise, when is there ever a day when Randy doesn't have 9,000 things to do? Today's goal is to get all the laundry that I folded yesterday put away, get the floors vacuumed, get the dishes done, possibly get dinner done. I'm not sure. I'll probably just have to make sides because yesterday I cooked that it actually turned out to be a 6.5 pound pork shoulder. And then my husband didn't get home until like 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. So needless to say, the food had been put away long before then. But now we have a ton of shredded smoked pork in the fridge for whatever. Tacos, sandwiches, all manner of things. So yesterday, on top of all the other stuff I was doing, I got an order for a zero lovey, so I'm actually making the parts for 2 of them in tandem with each other so that I'll still have one on reserve. And then I have some other things to do this weekend. But yesterday, at the request of Angelia from Little Zinnia Patch, she saw me posting things on Instagram and asked if I could make a different donut charm. I don't know if it'll focus on it at all. Probably not. Maybe if I put it in front of my face, you'll be able to see. Maybe. But it is a teeny little polymer clay donut charm. And I made 3 of these ones. If you go on my Instagram, you'll be able to see them better. But there's 3 of these chocolate ones with the little metallic brown colored sprinkles that kind of looks like caramel. And I made these ones that have white topping with silver sprinkles. This one actually has 2 open eyes, but all of the rest of them are winking. Whoa. And apparently I'm dropping them. But they are all glazed and ready to go on stuff. So today, on top of everything else, I'm planning to list all of my polymer clay charms on my Etsy shop. And if they're not all up today, they will be up at least by the end of the day tomorrow. I still have 4 other bags that are cut that I need to sew. I have pouches that are cut that I need to sew. There's just not enough coffee. Oh, and the other thing that I was wanting to do that I'm going to add on to the end of this, so you'll get the clip from before this and then all the other stuff. I don't think I told you guys about what happened with the Starling that we rescued. He ended up doing just fine. He was very chirpy and healthy when he flew off to be with his Starling brethren. It was just a few days before the show, actually, and he'd been taking off to fly away for portions of the day and then coming back to eat, even though we had taught him how to hunt, which is pretty normal Starling behavior. Usually for a week or 2 after they've flown from the nest, they come back and their parents will still help feed them. So he came back for a few days, and he'd been gone for 3 or 4 nights before that. And he just took off in the afternoon and didn't come back. But we've heard packs of starlings in the trees outside of the house, so I think that he's...
Daddy's account.
Okay, buddy, cool. So I think he has completely assimilated back into this flock of starlings that hangs out near the house. And they have a very distinctive noise, so it's pretty cool. I'm happy about that. But I'm going to attach all of the pictures and video clips that I have of him from little itty bitty barely feathered thing that we brought in to the super fluffy, loud flying hunting result 2 weeks later. So I think you guys will enjoy that. So thank you so much everybody for watching, and tomorrow I should actually have a yarn talk out. I recorded it last weekend, but I'm gonna get it edited to go up tomorrow. So thank you so much everybody for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye. the phone, huh? You don't really like it. Chirp, chirp. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Hi there. Hi. I know you don't really like my phone, huh? You gonna try to spread your wings and fly? Yeah. Soon, buddy, soon. About another week and we'll be ready to let you try to fly off. Soon. Hey, little bird.
Hey, that was me.
Huh? Chirp, chirp.
Sure.
It's on you. That's on you. But it's me.
We're gonna let him go free. Are you taking photos?
I'm recording because it is a bird and it is moving.
On you. Look at me. It's on my neck.
I know it doesn't really like my phone though, so I'm not going to get it too close.
I don't think it wants Oakley, buddy.
Baby yours.
Kill him. Leave him
Oh,
alone.
are you trying to get the grass out of his way, buddy? Yeah. Hey, little bird. You finding food there? I saw something move by your foot. Get it. Oh, you got it. But now what are you going to do with it now that you have it?
Are you really giving a narrative?
What's up, Ed? Hold it this what?
It's trying to eat it.
Ed.
Yeah.
What's up with that? How's up the Ed?
You got to kind of tip your head back to eat it, dude. Grab it and hand it to him before it gets away. Oh, I got you in there, buddy. Stop moving so I can get to you. I see you. Can you say hi?
Hi.
You got it, dude. It's like pretty much dead.
He doesn't know how to tip his head back to eat it, I think is the problem.
You have to be good boy. Oh, squishy. Come here. Oh, he eated it.
Yeah.
Get up, baby.
He ate it all right.
Oh, go fishy.
He's got a stomach full of pictures.
I'm recording. Hey, baby bird.
Look at me.
Come here.
Come.
It's like, no way.
Come. Yeah.
You're okay.
He's tired. You sleepy? Your eyes look heavy.
Thank God that missed me.
Lucky you.
And his name is Archer, not Lucky.
I think his name should be Lucky.
Onto my head.
Archer.
Lucky
How often
Archer.
you can have a pet, not pet.
Pet, not pet.
Starling. Starling Archer makes so much more sense.
So are we going to keep him as a pet?
No, he's not
No, buddy. Look how tired he is. Oh my God, Adam, he's falling asleep.
a pet. Alright, come on, you.
I wish I could get him to go in that.